In this video, we're going to review a Polygel kit from Amazon. Hi, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. Today we're going to review a Polygel kit from a company called Gershion. So let's just go ahead and open it up. This kit includes nail forms, and it looks like a pretty good stack of them. And then there's a little card here with the instructions. I always like to remind people to please read your instructions. It's very important. And they included a thank you card and also their Facebook and an email address if you need to reach them. There's also a 100-180 grit file and this brush/spatula. I really like the quality feel of this brush, and I also like just the whole aesthetics of this whole pack in general. So this brush has two ends. This end you use to kind of move the gel around with, and then the other end is to kind of put the gel onto your forms or onto your nail. And then you can also use this spatula part as a cuticle pusher. It also comes with dual forms. I won't be using the dual forms today, but this is how they look. So real quickly, I'll kind of show you how people use the forms. You will fill this part up with your polygel. Then you'll form them over your finger for whatever finger you want to put it on, and then cure them under the lamp. And I'm sure you can find plenty of videos on YouTube that'll show you this process in more depth. This kit also comes with a top coat and a base coat. And of course, both of these are just clear in color. And the polygel colors included are clear, white, natural pink, dark pink, cover pink, and bean red. So here are all the products that come in this kit, just laid out there for you guys to see before we get started. So I'm going to be using 70% isopropyl alcohol, and you can use 70%, but 90% is recommended instead of a slip solution, because unfortunately this kit did not come with a slip solution. So I'm going to be putting my alcohol in this old candle holder that I cleaned out. I like to use these type of things if I'm using like monomer or alcohol, things that evaporate really fast, because it has that seal type top that you can use, and it will help it not evaporate so fast. So I'm going to be using these lovely stiletto swatches to show you guys these colors today. If you guys are interested in these, I'll leave a link in the description below for them. So the first color I'm going to show you guys is bean red. So I did have to squeeze it kind of firmly to get this stuff coming out and going. But here it is up close. And this is my very first time ever using polygel. This swatch right here was my first time. And I was a little surprised by the consistency of it. And I made sure though that I did dip my brush in the alcohol, because this can get really sticky and it can stick to your brush, and it can make it very hard to work with if you're not using your alcohol or slip solution as much as you could be. So I did have a little learning curve here as far as the consistency of it and the texture, because you know, you watch YouTube videos and you watch other people do it, and you're like, that kind of looks easy. Yeah, think again. You know, with anything new, you will have to get used to it, and you just kind of have to figure out what the best way is for you. So that's what happened with this first one. As you can see, I didn't put that much on it, so I had to go back in and put some more in it. And I tried to use a different technique here, which I don't know. I wouldn't recommend this technique either, because as you can see, there was still some stuff poking out the top of it, and I had to end up going in with the spatula anyway, just to wipe off that excess before I put that top back on. So I would definitely just stick with the spatula method and just put it on there. So here is that bean red color, and it's not that bad for my very first time using polygel. We'll see how I do on my next one. Next, we're gonna look at the natural pink. And let me just tell you, this color was so amazing to me. And I decided to use a bigger bead this time around because I knew in order for me to work with it, I was gonna need more product anyways. So as you can see with this bigger bead, it went on there fairly easy. And I'm actually able to form it a little bit better with more product on there. So that was something I learned on how I could better my technique, is to use bigger beads and kind of work that product down and pat it. So I mentioned in my last video, you guys, that I wanted to start doing notification stars. I was just thinking of a way to show my appreciation to my viewers and subscribers and all those people who have been hanging in there with me and show love on my videos. So I came up with notification stars. And this time around, the notification star is Deyanira Morales. And I hope I pronounced it right. Please let me know if I did. So I just want to thank her for continued support, showing love on my channel. And she also has a channel. And as you can see in the background, I'm playing some of her nail art from her channel. She's really great at stamping. She always comes up with nice, cute designs. So you guys go ahead, check her channel out, show her some love. She's very welcoming to new people and she shows support all the time. So once again, thank you, Deyanira, and thank you for your continued support towards my channel. All right, so I'm just finishing up this pink color here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys this in just a little bit. And as you guys can see, I've definitely gotten a little bit more comfortable with this polygel, and I think I'm starting to get my technique down. So here is that natural pink color for you guys up close. Again, that's just an amazing color. I mean, how can you not love pink? Come on. All right, the next color we're gonna show is Cover Pink. And here it is. This one came out really smooth. I liked the consistency of this one. And here it is, all done. And this one is okay. I mean, I don't know. It was an all right color for me. Next, we're gonna do Clear. And clear is just clear. I mean, there's really not much to say there. There it is up close. And it was clear. I mean, you could see through it, so there was nothing bad to say about this one. Next, we're gonna see the white color. And this one came out nice and smooth as well. I really like the brightness of this color and just how vibrant it was. And here it is swatched. What more could you want out of white, I guess? All right, the next color we're gonna see is dark pink. And once again, pink, I mean, you can't go wrong with it. And this one did come out fairly easy as well. There it is up close. It's kind of like a bubblegum type of color. And there it is up close, swatched for you guys. Now I'm gonna cure all of them. And it took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to cure these. And as you can hear, if you can hear that, it's really done. So I would say 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 3 minutes should do you good. This kit also came with a top coat, so I'm going to put the top coat on all these and cure them again. And here is the final look, you guys. So there are all those colors for you, again, from that company called Gershion. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you found it informative. If you found it helpful, please let me know down below what color was your favorite as well. Also, remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't subscribed by now. And also remember to hit that like button for me if you enjoyed this review and if you enjoy my content. Hitting that like button is going to help YouTube recommend my videos more and also help get my content to people who could find them useful and enjoyable. I will see you guys on my next review.